Hi friends, it's Claire from ScrappyNerdUK, and today I am sharing with you some really exciting goodies from Freckled Fawn. I'm on the design team, so I get this sent to me, but I thought I would share it with you. So first of all, I'm going to show you, this is February's kit. I'm going to move that out of the way because I want to show you that's something really exciting. This is February's kit. So first of all, we have this wood veneer heart, but look on the back. It's a little wood veneer piece, so that's where the hearts come from, and it's got holes for book rings as well, so you can make this into a little mini album. So I'm super excited to be playing with that. Next up are the enamel dots. There's some lovely colours in here as well, so those are super useful. Then we have the chipboard stickers with some brilliant phrases on, and these aren't too thick either, so these are perfect to put into your traveller's notebook. So yeah, just some really useful, or navy as well. I love seeing navy in a kit. And then we have the washi strips. I love these washi strips purely because we've all got washi and we end up with rolls and rolls of it, and you'll never ever use it all. But in this you get two sheets of each, so these are perfect to actually get them used up. Then we have these label stickers. Oh, I like this one. And all the colours in this kit, of course, coordinate, so that's perfect. So yep, some labels, which are great to be able to add dates and a little bit of journaling. And oh, I love these. These are like a blush pink with gold foil letters on. Brilliant. And then these are the papers. So I'm working in a 6x8 traveller's notebook at the moment, and I have worked in the traditional size as well, but these are the 6x8 papers, and I believe these come in the traditional size one as well. So the difference, I'll just grab my traveller's notebooks. So here is one. So this one is the traditional size, and the inserts that come in this one, you can see, are the slimmer ones. Yeah, they're the slimmer ones, but I'm working in the 6x8, and this is a childhood memories album, and this one here is the wider, I think it's exactly 6x8. So yeah, these are the wider ones, so I'm working in this size at the moment, but I believe both the kits come in both the sizes, and there are February kits left as of today when I film this. So we've got this lovely repeating heart pattern in almost like a rainbow colour, so you get two of each. So we've got that one, and then on the reverse it's this green and white stripe, and then we have this yellow with a white line design on it. And then on the reverse, we have this funky chevron-y pattern. Then we have this white with a yellow stripe. And then on the reverse, we have this almost like a maroon colour with white dots. Oh, this is my favourite. It's like a grey wood grain. And then on the reverse, it is this ledger paper with these flowers on. So I love that. So that is February's kit. Just going to pop that to one side. And then here we have, this is March's kit. So this is also available as I've filmed this. So again, the same elements, but different. So this month we've got these little geo tags with the hearts cut out, and you get the little hearts as well. And I think this is a travel themed kit from what I can remember. Then we've got the enamel heart stickers as well. These are my favourite. Then we have the chipboard stickers. So we've got some stars and circles. Yeah, it's travel themed. So we've got a map, we've got an aeroplane, fun, wanderlust, a camera, been there, done that. Then we have the label stickers. Again, we've just got the traditional labels, and we've got some circles. I love the fact that we've got a bit of cork colour going on in here as well. And again, it just coordinates all across the kit. So we have the label stickers. Then we have the two sheets of washi stickers as well. So we've got some aeroplanes on here, some geo tags, some cameras. And look at these. I've not seen anything like this before. So these are the cork style. They're actually flat stickers, but they are like a cork design on them as well. So there's 103 alpha stickers. And then the papers. I'll grab these out. Look at this one. I think this is going to be my favourite. I haven't seen the others yet, but I think this is going to be my favourite. So this is like a cork design with white stars on. So we have that one. And then on the reverse, we have a green, I don't even know, a sort of green pattern on white. And then we have a ledger, or yeah, a lined paper. And then on the reverse, we have this white with a yellow design. Oh, this might be my favourite paper. Then we have a rainbow stripe. Oh, I like that one as well. And then we have white with blue arrows on. And then we have white with a green stripe. So these greens are the same colour. And then we have white with a bluey green camera design on. So yeah, this is most definitely a travel themed kit, but I like the element of the cork colouring in this one as well. So that is the March kit. And I also wanted to show you these. These are new in the shop. These are the pocket inserts. So traditionally with Traveller's Notebook inserts, they just come in just one big insert. So just one 6x8 insert. And then your cards go straight in. So your 6x8 papers will just go straight in to one of those. Perfect. Now, they have now got these available, which is the pocket page insert. I've been so excited for this. So they are all 4x6 on the bottom and 2 3x4-ish on the top. I'm not too sure how the dimensions work, but you can take your 6x8 and you can trim them down to fit into these pockets, and you can have a different design, just like Project Life. So you can use a traveller's notebook effectively to do a Project Life design style. The style is the word I was looking for. So I'm going to pop this straight into my traveller's notebook, ready. I'm using 2 strings at the moment, ready for me to use this. So yeah, I just thought I'd share this with you. Now, if you are interested in any of the Freckled Fawn products, then I will leave a link down below for you. Anything that you purchase from the Freckled Fawn shop, it doesn't cost you any more, but the affiliate link gives me a little something back for the fact that I'm on the design team, and I don't have any requirement to share these products with you, but because I am such a huge fan of the products anyway, I like to do that. Yes, so we have February and March kits, so they are interchangeable as well. I can swap them up and use them all together. But yes, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you all again really soon for another video. Bye.